What's up guys, Ricky here, back with another Arckit video. Today we'll be taking a look at Arckit Model 55, a lake house build concept. Starting by building up the topography, I created the step terrain by stacking Arckit modules and then using tile components to finish it off. On one of the sides, I built a set of stairs starting at the top and then leading down towards a small dock on the lake, perfect for fishing and tying up small boats. For representing water in this build, I used clear Arckit modules double stacked to create some illusion of depth. The house itself is grounded into the hill and spans out over the terraced land and water where it's supported by 4 columns. A large porch area wraps around 2 sides of the home and helps shelter the dock area below. Inside, the program of the home is split between public and private with a large open area containing the living room, dining area, and kitchen. Further back is a spacious bathroom and master bedroom, completing the home. Overall, this was a fun and exciting project. Well guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for a whole bunch more Arckit builds and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.